Heart wings of love to you all. Hi to the parrot community. I'll show you how I do my sprouting of pulses, rice, grains. I'm just gonna, I'll fill that with just tap water. With that, I'm gonna pour some of this into, if I can get that down on there. Okay, hopefully you can see that. No, I'm going to rinse it first overnight. I mean, I would soak it up 12 hours. You'll be able to see, just on here you can see that it obviously, the level it is now, they will swell up when it's taken in all the water, and it is important to soak them. So yeah, so you can see that that's just gonna stay soaking for the next 12 hours. Okay, so this is 20 the following day of soaking. So you can see, I mean, and here's the sprouter, and what I'm going to do is, obviously it's still going to have water on it, it's a bit damp, but that's good, that's what you want. So that one goes like that. So yes, I'll be able to have two levels, two tiers that I use. That's got a lot more in it, but that'd be fine. And that's it. So I'm going to leave that now for until tomorrow. So that'll be day 3. And okay, right. So this is day 3 for Ziggy and Charlie. Yeah. So you can see tiny little sprouties already coming out. I reckon by tomorrow be able to use it in their food. Just sprinkle it on. It's so good for our parrots. It's good super food and nutrition for us humans. And this is the same for the parrots. So you can see it's got like beans and lentils and all that kind of jazz. I need to rinse them. And then Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. That is going to be just left on there now for another day. See you tomorrow for day 4. Yep, so I'm just rinsing. Well, you can use apple cider vinegar. Usually just pour that over it as well, and that's not toxic to parrots at all. What I'm going to do is tip that in the container. Drain them as much as you can. Ooh, they don't still stay in the container in a layer of water. But there you go. Right, so I'm going to be putting these sprouties, sprinkle some in there for Ziggy's. And then more in there for Charlie's, and then maybe get to show you as I give them to my boys. Is that yum? Got your breakfast? What you got, yummy?